Hello, good morning. Now we plan to take one more epic drama, what is called Karnabarim. That this one is a very non-detailed study for you. There is no text available in the market, though it was written in Sanskrit, later translated to English, but in market it is unavailable. But people have different tips and notes available even in the internet that you can search, and you will get a picture and a description on Karnabarim. You would ask me, what is this Karnabarim? What is meant by Barim? Barim is weight, weightage, but it signifies different things in course of time that you will understand. This Mahabharata is an epic, Ramayana is an epic. In every country there are so many epics related to. And in all these epics we have different dramatic and important personalities as heroes. You have studied Paradise Lost, then so many Iliads and Aeneid. What is also to be said that you studied Oedipus. What all the speciality on these people? These people are of high birth, but has a tendency to fall down. And this is the real history of tragic heroes. You take Macbeth, then you take Hamlet, you take King Lear, and so many dramatists presented tragic heroes. The first eminent, significant importance you should keep in mind. Such people will be having high birth, then will have a tendency to fall down to the bottom by the way of their behavior and mistake. So Aristotle had pointed out so many qualities of tragic heroes, and that so many writers followed by Aristotle maintained such a type of activities and characteristics on heroes. Otherwise, better to say writers maintained that decorum of presenting tragic heroes in such a way that they have of high birth and falling down by their mistake, and naturally or in the conclusion they will vanish from the earth. But this Basa or Basan, some people call Basa, had been living here before BC, 2nd century. Some people say after AD, first 2 centuries he had been there. And many dramas he had written, and of tragic heroes they have presented many things in combined with the rules of tragic heroes. Mahabharata we find Karna as in a different character, but to make him more familiar and popular, this Basa, the follower of Kalidasan, and it is during the time of Kalidasan and during the time of Sanskrit literature, Sanskrit drama, upheld its quality. And dramas are found in Thaliola scriptures. It is noted by 105 different what we call Ola Grandangal, Thaliola Grandangal. And if it is said even in our Travancore Palace, in the Travancore Palace Library, Basa's dramas are found in Trivandrum. It is said Padmanabha palace. They had some scriptures discovered by the historians, written by Basa. And many dramas he has presented to the public, somewhat deviating from Mahabharata, but maintaining the real decorum of quality of the characters in his dramas. Example like almost 10 dramas, important dramas, all right, or plays had been upheld by historians. Among them, all right, Sopana Vasavadatam, one drama, Pratyaja Yadundragas, Panchandradam, Urabangam, Karnabaram, Madhyavyagam, Chaudanyam, Abhishegam, Pradima, all these are important dramas, among which you will get a detailed material available. But this Abhishegam and Pradima, a drama found in Trivandrum, Kuttaram, Vadi Palace, I told you, that enhances the quality of Basa in future. So Karnabaram is one of the main dramas written by Basan or Basa, and which has different features. Somewhat you may understand Basa's dramas have salient features. Once you understand, because this, as it is non-detailed, you have to study by the segment by segment. The example, who is Basa, how did he write this drama, and how was it become popular, and what all its features, the main features. As it is a non-detailed, they won't ask a detailed question regarding that we expect. But still you as a literary student has to keep all these things in mind. The special features of Basa dramas, you can point out one. Alright, it is presented by a soothsayer. Soothsayer, what we call just like a prologue mentor, just like we have chorus people like coming in a group in a Oedipus. In the same way, this drama is presented by a soothsayer. Soothsayer can be translated as in Malayalam Sutradharan. Alright, he would come and start the drama. Is one of the main features of Basa's dramas. Sutradharan presents all the characters, what we call in Freytag's definition that you studied in literary criticism of drama, that there will be first one exposition coming, then initial incident coming. Exposition is called the role of a Sutradharan, introducing the characters of the drama. Who is he? What is he? Where is he coming from? Like that. So Sutradharan, second, so one, the presence of Sutradharan, presence of Soothsayer, as well as this Soothsayer will present all the characters. Then third feature that we have to notice, there will be a prologue. I mean Sthapana, we call in Sanskrit Sthapana, that is called prologue. There will be a preface in which we will get a picture about all the characters who are coming in the drama. All dramas are presented in a particular style. What style? Probably as it is a falling of a hero, as it is a story of a hero of noble birth, it has a bombastic style. Bombastic style means the style what is already earlier meant by the writers, what is called grand style. Not in the ordinary way they are presenting, because these characters are the characters of God, and by the divine policy theory, these kings and rulers of the country were selected by God, not by ordinary people. That is called the theory of divinity or divine theory of kings. So once they are presented to rule and administer the public, they are the representatives of God on earth. So they use godly language. Maybe the reason in Sanskrit also considered to be like Latin. Sanskrit is also considered to be holy language. So which always used by priests and what you call Brahmins. So their style was in grand style, bombastic way, and Bharatavakyam in all dramas they use. Alright, so all these features you have to keep in mind. As it is in Karnabharam also, what we call Basan or Basai and his tragedies, when we make a research, we find certain things, certain characters like our Hamlet or our Oedipus or our any heroes, just like Marlowe's Christopher, Marlowe's people, Dr. Faustus, all these people are falling down from the great position and glory, and later they vanish from the earth. His characters like Karnan in Karnabharam. Now we are going to study about Karnan, an episode taken from Mahabharatam or Mahabharata as an epic story. This Karnan now becomes a tragic hero here, though he had so many destinies like Hamlet in Shakespeare. Hamlet, Junior Hamlet says into one of the scenes that he is destined to face and to do all the activities, because his own father appears in front of him and prompts him to kill his present father, who was his own brother, alright, Claudius, because he killed him. So he says, being born on this world, I am destined, because destiny gave him this mission, responsibility to kill Claudius and take revenge on that. So some tragic heroes are destined from the time of Aristotle and Plato. So many writers have presented such tragic heroes. They are destined. They are destined in the sense, that is why Hamlet says, when the sorrows come, they do not come like a single spice, but they come like battalions. He says, when sorrow coming, here also Karnan has so many sorrows which are not really present in Mahabharata, but here Basa alright tries to show his mind and soul was burdened with so many problems. That is why Karnan has so many bharams. That is why Karna has Karnabharam. It is written. Karnan has so many problems. And in a way or another way, as if Junior Hamlet thinking, probably Karnan might have thought, why did I take birth to bear such responsibilities? Might have asked. But we do not mind like Hamlet here. But Karnan, though he is very happy to go and fight against Arjuna, alright, but still he shares some inner mind problems to his chariot driver, who is called Salia. Alright, this is Salia, that is why written here, Salia. He is an efficient chariot driver. And Karnan, alright, opens his mind, because Salia understands very, very significantly. Karnan, though he is a masculine and Kshatriya, like a very big and majestic king-like man, alright, but today his face having some type of shadows. Salia understands. Then to Salia, whom Karnan likes very much, Karnan loves very much, he says that we have some problems in my mind. What all these problems? These problems are presented in three different segments, which we will explain in the next class. But these segments, what he has kept in his mind, probably we would say these ideas or these thoughts might have burdened him to face Arjuna, in which he fears that he would sometime lose the battle. But in a way or another way, all the inhibitions he keeps away and becomes strong and requests Salya, you directly send the chariot to the field of Arjuna. We are going to face him. On the one hand, he is haunted by his lot of responsibilities, lot of cases, sadness and sorrows. At the same time, he does not forget to fight against our Arjuna, which is destined to be his mission. Because Duryodhana, who was leading the real battle against Arjuna so far on 16th and 17th day, accidentally Duryodhana dies in Mahabharata. After Duryodhana's death, all right, it has become a vacuum, and by no other way, our Karnan was given the chance to be responsible leader of the battle, and he, finding no other way, he became the battlefield defender. And it is the time that Dronacharya telling our Karnan, your darts and chariot, not even a single minute to spare, but to go and attack Arjuna. And we want to see Arjuna's death instantly right now. That was his idea. So Karnan, just like Hamlet, thinking, oh my God, all these destinies are my head. All destinies are on my head. How to control and defend my country, how to give pleasure to all these Kauravas, and after attacking Pandavas, how can I defend my country, how can fulfill my wishes of Dronacharya and Kauravas. That is my pleasure. All the responsibility given on the head of Karna, which makes Basan's Karnan, who is called Karnan, with a lot of bharams and responsibilities. So, forgetting all the situations, our Karnan, just like Duryodhana in Pancharatnam, Vali in Abhishekam, Pancharatnam and Abhishekam, like Karnavaram, other dramas written by Basa. Karna, Duryodhana, Vali, all these are tragic heroes, as if it is shown in the drama. Now, our features of the drama of Basa like that. And what is this in Basan and tragedy is always somewhat deviating from the mainstream. Alright, just like Kaudilya Shastram, Kalidasa Shastram, then all these drama epic writers had maintained the case of death should not be exhibited on the stage, murder should not be shown on the stage, character assassination should not be shown in the stage. But from deviating all these points, our Basa slowly deviating from the main point of epic writing and makes the hero not only Karna, Duryodhana and Vali in Abhishekam is one of the other drama like Karnavaram. Vali becomes a tragic hero there. So Basa has a pre-planned destiny to make Karnan or Arjunan or Duryodhanan or Vali as tragic heroes. What is the special introduction given to our Karnavaram? Our Karnan on the one hand, Arjuna on the other hand. It is an episode taken from our Mahabharata to present you, to make you familiarize with the hidden, very important, significant, exasperated stories taken from Mahabharata. What is really going to happen? That we are going to watch and see. By next lecturing, I will give you a special introduction to the detailed summary of the play, what is called Karnavaram. Till that moment, enjoy.